Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Vivo Y21T, and this is a new mid-range phone from Vivo which is costing around 34,000 PKR in Pakistan market. In this price range we have 4GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. On the back we have some more specification about the phone, and this phone is powered by a new Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor which is based on 6nm architecture. Also on the back we have 50 megapixel main camera. This phone also has a 8mm slim design. This phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging. Also, and the color I have is the midnight blue color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. That's very good thing. Again, here is the box of the Vivo Y21T, and the new thing about the Vivo Y21T is the processor. Without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox the Vivo Y21T, and this phone also available in the white color as well. If you want to see the white color, you can see that color on my Instagram. So first let me remove the plastic like this again, and the box, it is very similar to the Vivo Y21. Now let's open this box like this. On the top we have one more mini box. Inside of this box we get a quick start guide, and you can see also we get a soft silicone case, and here is the device, Vivo Y21T. Now let's out the phone from this box. Now let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see, and guys, and this is the midnight blue color of the Vivo Y21T. Although on the back we have matte finish, that's really good thing, and the back is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we also have a screen protector. Now let's see what else we get. And other than the phone, and the first thing we get the charger, and you can see it is a 9V with a 2A, and guys, and this is a 18 watt fast charger, and that's really good thing. Also we get a cable which is a USB type C to USB A cable, and you can see also we get a SIM ejection tool. Again, we does not get any headphones with the Vivo Y21T. Now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Vivo Y21T, and guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, as well as headphone jack. On the left hand side we have nothing. On the top we have SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray. On this phone we should see a full SIM slot. Yes, you can use one microSD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. Inside the SIM tray with rubber, so that's very good thing. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on a button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. Guys, on the back we have triple cameras, and you can see we have 50 megapixel main camera. Also we have 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. No ultra wide lens on the Vivo Y21T. We should see ultra wide on this phone because ultra wide is more useful as compared to the macro lens all the time. And here is the display of the Vivo Y21T. On the front we have 6.5-inch 720p IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate, and that's really disappointing on this phone. We should see a full HD IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, or a 720p with Super AMOLED display. Instead we have 720p IPS LCD display. Also on the top we also have a U-shaped notch. We should see punch hole on this phone. Also you can see, and the bottom chin, it is also really big on this phone, and the display, it is really weak point on this phone. Also we have single speaker, no dual speakers on this phone. Now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Vivo Y21T, and you can see. And guys, the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that again we have 720p IPS LCD display, and the brightness on this phone, it is really low on this phone. Again we have 60Hz refresh rate, which looks outdated as compared to any other smartphone in this price range. Here is the notification area on this phone, and you can see. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go to the about phone. And this phone is running on Android 11, and you can see that's really disappointing. In 2022 we should see Android 12 on this phone. Also we have 128GB of internal storage. Again, this phone is powered by a new Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor. Also we have 1GB extended RAM feature on this phone. We have 128GB of internal storage out of we have 17.19GB. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner on this phone. Again we have side mounted fingerprint scanner, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner, it is also really fast on this phone. No issue whatsoever. Now let's look at the camera. Again, on the back we have triple cameras. We have 50 megapixel main camera, then we have 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. So here is the camera UI looks like on this phone, and here is your 1x and here is your 2x, which is a digital zoom. Also we have portrait mode. We also have a night mode. Now let's see video recording size with the back camera. And the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps, and the 60 fps it is only available with the 720p resolution. That's really different thing. Now let's go to the mode section. In the mode section we also have a 50 megapixel mode. We also have a slow motion, and we also have a time lapse. We also have pro mode. We also have a panorama. All those things it is available on this phone. Again, no ultra wide lens on this phone. Also in the photo mode we also have a macro mode, and you can see which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. Although the quality it is really bad. We also have this feature AI. Now let's look at the front camera. On the front we have 8 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see in the camera quality with the front camera looks really soft, and here is the front camera looks like. Again, very soft. We should see a 13 megapixel or a 16 megapixel selfie shooter with the front camera. On the front we also have a night mode. Now let's see video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps, no 60 fps available with the 720p resolution. And this phone is giving you a lot of camera features, and you can see. Now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size, and this phone feels really light in hand. Also on the sides on this phone is more flat as compared to before, which gives a more premium feel as compared to before. Again, the frame of this phone is made up of plastic, and this phone feels really light in hand, although we have 5000 mAh battery size. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y21T. Again, and the main highlight of this phone is the processor. We will see the performance of the Snapdragon 680 in my upcoming speed test. Stay tuned for that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.